for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about solar system. We all know that our solar system consists of 8 planets that revolve around the sun, which is to be central of our solar system. They are classified into categories that are inner planet and outer planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called termed as outer planet. These four are massive in size and are often referred to as giant planets. Mercury. It is the smallest planet of our solar system. The geological features of Mercury, low tide and impact creature. It has a diameter of 4,878 km. Venus. It is also said to be a hottest planet of our solar system. It is the brightest planet and it is visible to the naked eye. It has a diameter of 12,104 km. Earth. It is the largest inner planet in our solar system. It is covered two-thirds with water. Earth is only a planet where life is possible. Mars. It is a rare planet. Due to presence of iron dioxide, it is a cold planet. It has a diameter of 6,787 km. Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system. It is strong magnetic field. It consists of helium and hydrogen. It has a diameter of 139,822 km. Saturn. It is known for its ring system, and these rings are made by tiny particles of iron and rocks. It has a diameter of 120,500 km. Uranus. It is the lightest in giant and outer planet. It has the blue tint and it has a diameter of 51,120 km. Uranus. Neptune. It is the last and it is the coldest planet of all the planets. It is much more massive and dense. It has a diameter of 49,530 km. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Robin. I am from class 6. Today I am presenting here a speech and my topic is India. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world and is also the 7th largest country in the world. India is one of the best countries in the world for many reasons. Acceptations of people of other religions, the closely bonded family culture, the greatest democratic nation and the fastest growing economy with 1.3 billion of population. India is the second largest country in the world and is also the 7th largest country in the world. India is God's favorite country to be blessed with all seasons, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter and winter. People around the world also recognize India for its Bollywood stardom and beauty pageants. India is famous for its rich culture, tradition and festivals. There are a total of 29 states in India and each state is rich in its own culture, festivals and cuisines. Therefore, the slogan Unity in Diversity sits perfectly with my country. You can find people of every caste, creed and religion here. India is the only country that has given birth to different Indian religions. Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. The capital of India is Delhi. I am very proud of my motherland, India. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you respected directors, principals, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am presenting a speech on our country, India. India is a peaceful and democratic country. It is one of the 7th largest country of the world. It is second most populated country of the world. It is also called as Bharat or Hindustan. India is well known for its spirituality, philosophy, science and technology. In the field of literature and science, my country has produced a prominent personalities such as Rabindranath Tagore, Premchand, C. V. Raman, Jagdish Chandra Bose and Dr. Abdul Kalam. People in India are of various religions like Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Buddhist, Christianity lives here together in every part of the country. The architecture of my
Good afternoon, respected director sir, principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Neha Gurjar from class 6th. I belong to Raman House. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about Save Earth. We should save the Mother Earth so that our future generation we can live in a safe environment. We can save the earth by saving trees, natural vegetations, water, natural vegetations, water, natural resources, electricity, etc. We should strictly follow all the possible measures to control the environment pollutions, the global warming. Earth is the only planet human life is possible. Every needs and maintaining social standard. The development of taking place based on body which is effective aquatic life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected director sir, chairman sir, principal sir, and teachers, and all dear my friends. My name is Sneha from class 6th. I belong to Shivaji House. I a very warm welcome to all of you present here. Today I am here to speech on India. India is the oldest civilization in the most popular, in the most diverse countries. It is famous for its rich culture, traditions, and festivals. Each state is rich in its own cultures, festivals, and cousins. Sits perfectly with my country. You can find people of every caste, creed, and religions here. India is the only country that has given birth to different different Indian religions here. Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and Christianity. Are considered the third and fourth largest region in the world respectively. It has been celebrating 75 years of independence since 15th August 1947 with Draupadi Murmu being the current president. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Sona from class 4. I'm from Shivaji House. I'm going to something telling about my school. My school is a wonderful place where students feel understand and experience best and wonderful life lessons. I love my school because it is one of the best school in this city. There is a computer lab, science lab, and big library. All the teachers are also kind. The principal of our school is very friendly man. The school of our student encourages extracurricular studies. As many won prize all other school speech competition, debate competition, and sport competition. The school keep regularly of our parents informed about the study. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Dev from class 5. Today I am presenting about Save Earth. We live on a planet which gives us everything required to leading a good life from natural resources. Earth is the only now planet which gives us Earth is the only now planet which air, oxygen and water which are the basic requirements for existence for life. Water is the main component of every living being and we should save it and abolish pollution. Another way to save our natural vegetation is recycling and reducing the wastage. And climate change is affect the leaves of people. Extreme change is temperature result on loss are agriculture sector. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Imam Usmani from class 4. I am presenting a speech for Save Water. We all that water is the most precious and useful resource on earth. It is the most basic need of everyone, whether it is a human being animal, plant, and other we cannot live for day without food. But we cannot imagine to live without food, without water. More than it, despite having is so much important to be care something about water. Are not we reckless and overuse water? Can we all imagine that what will happen? Are these polluted? It's our responsibility for get safe water to the planet is a beautiful place of all the necessities of the life. It's a use water. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Lavya from class 4. First of all, thank you to give me such a great opportunity to say something about our solar system. Our solar system consists of a star named the Sun, the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. It also includes the satellite of the planet, numerous comets, asteroids, and asteroids, and interplanetary medium. Sun. The Sun is a star. It is a star around which the Earth and other planets revolve. In a way, we can say that the Sun is the head of solar family or solar system. The star nearest to the Earth is the Sun. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is closest to the Sun. Mercury is hot during the day and it has very thin atmosphere. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is also called morning and evening star. Earth is the only planet that has water in liquid form, oxygen, and supports life. Mars is the reddest planet, the red color due to presence of iron oxide in the soil. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is made of ring and it is gaseous planet having no soil surface. Saturn is the yellowest planet in our solar system. Saturn is the yellowest planet in our solar system. Neptune is a very cold and stormy planet in our solar system. Pluto was the smallest and furthest planet from the Sun. Now it is known as dwarf planet. Finally, the Earth is the only planet where the absence of life is possible. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Kaji Chaudhary from Shivaji House. Today's topic is save the water. Water is a very precious. Water is our life. Water is a liquid substance. We cannot live without water. The farmer use water to grow plants. Fishes and aquatic animals live in the water. It has no color, no smell, no shape, and etc. We need four uses: cooking, bathing, washing, and etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, respected Chairman, Sir, Director, Sir, Principal, Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Shivani from class 6. I belong to Shivaji House, and I am speaking topic on save Earth. Life is only possible the planet Earth. If we want to live a happy life on Earth, then we must to understand that resource and that resource are limited in order to safeguards the assistance of humans. Protect the earth. Saving it earth is not merely the extent of we need our but much more extent degradation caused by becoming is irreparable. We can save the earth is following this. Live in the month, reduce, recycle and reuse. Conserve water and water bodies. Plant more trees. Keep our surrounding clean. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone, respected director, sir, principal, sir, teacher, and all my dear friends. I am Vanchika in front of you from class 5th. Today I am presenting a speech on solar system. The solar system made of all the planets that orbit around the sun. In the addition to the planet, our solar system consists of moon, component, asteroid, made of planet, dust, and gas. In around these cells. It contains 98% of material that used in solar system. Thank you.
Good afternoon to respected director sir, principal sir and all my dear teachers. I am Ayan from class 5th. Today I am presenting the topic of Save Earth. All the birds and animals we will see over the course of the series are disappearing because of one species. Human we know that we are using more than our fair share of the planet and its resources, and we must now address this imbalance. Our Earth is our mother planet in which we born and understand, learn to speak, learn to walk and learn everything that we are now able to do. It is only planet in our solar system on which life exists with incredible biodiversity. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Tamanna from class 6. Today I am presenting about India's speech. India is a country having different languages, religions and cultural patterns. Administration of India is run through by the center and the Prime Minister and the state's government by Chief Minister. India is the largest state is town by the Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. The India having the largest population is Uttar Pradesh and the Sikkim is the smallest populated state. Hindi is the official language of India. Although the constitution recognizes 21 other languages and also there are 1,652 dialects in India. The major festivals are Holi, Diwali, Durga Puja, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Christmas, etc. The national capital of India is New Delhi and metropolitan cities namely are Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. India is a various cultures and heritage, which is the seventh most largest populous country and second most populous country globally. The peacock is India's national bird and Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. The national song of India is named Vande Mataram and its written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The Indian national song was first performed by the Indian National Congress in 1896. General Mangal, Indian national anthem, is sung in 52 seconds. The India's national flag is named Tiranga, which is made up of three colors, saffron, white and green, and with the Ashok Chakra in navy blue color in the center. Thank you.
Good morning to respected chairman sir, principal sir and all my teachers. I am Anjit Ankel from class 5th. Today I am presenting topic of Save Earth. We live on a planet which gives us everything requirements for living a good life from its natural resources. Earth is only known planet which has oxygen and water, which are basic requirements for existence for life. Water is the main component of every living being and we should save it and avoid its pollution. Another way to save natural vegetation, recycling and reducing wastage. Save Earth is a multi-dimensional program which includes many things including save tree and stop deforestation. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Nikki Joshua from class 5th. Today I am going to express my views on my topic is My India. My India is a great country where people speak different language, but the national language is Hindi. India is full of different castes, creeds, religions and cultures, but they live together. That is the reasons India famous for the common saying of unity and diversity. India is the second largest country in the world and the second largest country in the population. Thank you.
Good morning, respected directors, sir, principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Umi from class 6. Today I am presenting here in speech in my school. My school is my second home, and it is the most popular organization that homes my teachers and guardians. It is the oldest and the most popular school in the city. I always enjoy visiting my school during the holidays. The name of my school is GR International School located Adoki Masra Road. My school conducts a physical education class the topic of Save Earth. As we all know that Earth is the only planet having life in this universe. We should respect and maintain everything we should get from our Mother Earth. We should save our Mother Earth so that our future generation can live in a safe environment. We should save our Earth by saving trees, water, in natural vegetation, natural resource, electricity, etc. We should strictly follow all the possible measures to control the pollution and environmental global warming. Global warming. Everyone should plant more trees in the surrounding area to curb the pollution and reduce the effects of global warming. We should save our earth by reduce the amount of plastic, water, wood, paper, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Next.
Good morning to all of you, respect directors, sir, principals, sir, and teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Preeti from class 6. Today presenting here is speech. Earth save Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life expanded. Earth provides us food, shelter, protection, and other necessary resources. Earth provides air pollution, water pollution, and land degradation on Earth. On Earth are big threat to life on Earth. We can save the Earth by saving trees, natural vegetables, waters, natural resources, electricity, etc. We should save the Mother Earth so that our future generation can live in a safe on Earth. Earth Day celebrated on 22 April every year to begin awareness among the people about safe on Earth. Earth provides us air, water, food, shelter of life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Darshit. A very warm welcome to all of your presence. Today I am here to deliver a speech on India. India, having the oldest civilization in the world, is one of the most diverse countries. It is famous for its rice culture, traditions, and festivals. There are a total of 29 states in India, and each state is rice. Cultural festivals and curses. Therefore, the slogan Unity in Liberty sees perfectly with my country. You can find people of every caste and religion here. India is the only country that has given birth to different and Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Sikhism, and Christianity, out of which Hinduism and Buddhism are considered the third largest religion of the world, respectively. India is the only country that has given birth in the India. On the other hand, the Prime Minister of India is considered of the also known as Bharat or Hindustan. It is the national language of my country, and each state and Hindi. But apart from Hindi, each state for other hand, India is the only country that has given birth to the largest producer of sugar in the country. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sridin from class 4. The school is a wonderful place where our students feel, understand and experience best ever memories and wonderful life lessons. The school is a place that purpose us for a good tomorrow. I love my school because it is one of the best schools in this city. Our school has a very large playground where we play sports. My school also takes part in various extracurricular activities like sports quizzes, competition speech, etc. I am proud of my school because we all study here like a family. The classroom of my school, wide, large, and curly. There is a computer lab, science lab, and a big library in my school. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Yashoda from Ashoka House. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to say with our Earth. Save Earth. Earth is the only planet where human life is possible. Every requirement of human can be fulfilled here, but we are not bothered about our planet. In the 21st century, everyone is want to buy everything. Betterment of security. Everyone is busy with hearing yourself. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shanti from class 6. Today, I am giving a speech on my school. School are considered as the temple of knowledge for students. Schools prepare the student to be future leader and help them face problems without any fear. Schools help students in understanding the importance of discipline and the time management. Similarly, my school played a role in shaping my life. The values and the character I developed during my school days have helped me in facing the world and understanding the problems. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Yashwant from Ashoka. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak on such an important topic, save Earth. Earth is the only planet where human life is possible. Every requirement of human can be fulfilled here, but we are not bothered about our planet. In this 21st century, everybody wants to buy everything. Nobody is now bothered about betterment of society. Everyone is busy with maintaining social standards. Waste is dumped in river or into other water bodies, which affecting the aquatic life. Also, technology getting higher. Which affect and the radiation in the air getting extreme high, which is affecting the bird. At the last of my speech, I just want to say your side, and there is no logic in taking the nature for granted. Don't harm nature because at last you are getting yourself. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you, respected director sir, principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Anushka from class 5th. Today I am presenting my school topic. Every school is special in its own way, and the same is with my school as well. It is a place where people from different backgrounds and temperaments come together with the purpose to learn. I study in Real International School, which has centuries old building. It has one building. The red walls of my school, which divided into senior category and junior category, are the trademark for our uniqueness. The renovated are the all over the city and
are a place where we get make friends, learn together. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Rishabh Lal from class 6. My speech on the same earth. Each living being on the earth knows importance of the earth in our life. Without earth we cannot imagine the life. How we can even thought how we would wake if there will be no water to drink. There will not be animal life here, and if lose no cultivation, so no food to eat. This means to state that life of humans as well as life being cannot be possible on the earth. Life be possible on the planet Earth. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Dusty. In front of you, for Shivaji House, I am going to tell you something about my school. My school name is Dira International School. My school is the best place where I always want to visit. My school is like my second home. My school is the temple of education. My school provides me with physical and social development. My school teachers are the god of temple of education. Thank you.
Good morning to all presented here. I am Megha from Shivaji House. Today I am represent Shivaji House in the English speech competition and my topic is solar system. So let's start. The solar system consists of 8 planets and a sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, which is the closest to the sun, and it has no moon. The second is Venus, which is the hottest and the brightest planet, and it has no moon. The third one is Earth, the only planet that sustains life we live on. That the Earth has one moon. The fourth is Mars, which is the red planet, and it has 2 moons. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet, and it has 79 moons. Next is Saturn.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Arori from class 4. Today I am something about solar system. The Earth is 8 solar. The Earth is one planet 8 solar system. We celebrate Earth Day 22 April every year. The solar does the Earth. Thanks.
Good morning, respected principals, advisors, teachers, and my dear all friends. I am Krishna from class 6. Today representing in a speech of Saver. The coldest place on earth is Antarctica, and the hottest place is Libya. Earth provides by air, food, water, and subject life. More than 7 billion people are currently residing on planet Earth. Conservation of natural resources is important for the sustainability of planet Earth. Earth Day observed every year 22
Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Kalpesh from Shivaji House. My talk with my school. My school name is Real International School. My school has a big playground. There is a computer lab where we use computer. My school is the best place. My school is the temple of education. My school is a second home. It is the oldest and the most popular school in the city. My school building is very big and beautiful. I study and play in my school. Thank you.
Morning to all. My name is Vikas of class 6 from Ashoka House. Today I present this picture on Seva. Each knows the importance of our earth. Life is the possible. Without earth cannot even imagine a life. Have you even thought how world wealth is there is no earth, there will be no water to drink, there will be no animals live here, or the course of the cultivation, so no food to eat, so no food to eat. This means to say that the life of the humans as well as other living beings without intelligent art. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Devansh from class 6. Today I am presenting a speech on solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The sun is in the center, and the planets revolve around it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are 8 planets. The path of the planet is known as cloud. Mercury is closest the sun. Neptune is the distant among all these. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is the only planet that has rings around it. Earth is the third planet from the sun. This is the only planet on which life is present. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am from class 6. Today I am presenting you a topic of solar system. The solar system formed 4.568 billion years ago from the gravitational cosmos of a region within a large molecular cloud. This imperial cloud was likely survival light a year across and probably burned several stars. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The 4 inner system planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth are terrestrial planets, being composed primarily of rock and metal. The 2 largest, Jupiter and Saturn, are gas giants, being composed merely of helium and hydrogen. The next 2, Uranus and Neptune, are ice giants, being composed with helium and hydrogen. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The plane of Earth, orbit, and ellipse. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Bhavna from Shivaji House. Today my topic is my school. My school name is Real International School, Mathura. It is very near to my home. I go to school with my elder brother and other friend. My school has beautiful double-story building. There are many classrooms. Science lab and a big computer lab. I like my class and class fellows. They teach us very kind and helping. My school is one of the best schools. All of you, our teachers strict discipline. They teach us very kind and help kindly
I pray God to give everyone the best place to students like my school. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Vaishnavi from class 4th. I am presenting a save water topic. Life on earth is possible because of water. Save water and stop misusing 97% of the water and left on earth is saltwater hence. Saltwater hence cannot be used 3% of water usable, and so we must be careful in the way save water. Thank you.